Imagine traveling to a new city and choosing to stay not in a hotel, but in a stranger's home. A few years ago, that idea would have sounded risky, even uncomfortable. Yet today, millions of people around the world use Airbnb without hesitation. The question is, how did Airbnb convince people to trust complete strangers? The answer lies in one of the most powerful strategies in modern marketing, community marketing. Airbnb didn't just build a platform, it built a community based on trust. In the early days, the biggest challenge wasn't technology, it was fear. People were unsure about staying in someone else's home or allowing strangers into their own. Airbnb solved this by creating systems that reduced uncertainty, such as user profiles, reviews, ratings, and verified identities. These features helped users feel safe and confident, addressing what marketers call perceived risk. Instead of relying heavily on traditional advertising, Airbnb focused on user-generated content and storytelling. Real hosts and guests shared their experiences, photos, and reviews, which became the foundation of the brand's credibility. When people see real stories from other users, it feels more authentic than a company promoting itself. This is a core principle of community marketing, letting the users become the voice of the brand. Airbnb also positioned itself around a powerful idea: belong anywhere. This message shifted the focus from just booking accommodation to experiencing a place like a local. Instead of offering standardized hotel rooms, Airbnb offered unique homes, personal interactions, and cultural experiences. This emotional positioning helped the brand stand out in a highly competitive industry. Another important aspect of Airbnb's strategy is two-sided marketing, where both hosts and guests are equally important. The platform had to attract hosts to list their properties while also attracting guests to book them. By building trust and providing value to both sides, Airbnb created a network effect where more users made the platform more valuable for everyone. Airbnb's growth shows how powerful communities can be in marketing. When customers feel like they are part of something larger, they are more likely to trust, engage, and promote the brand themselves. Instead of pushing messages, Airbnb allowed its users to shape the brand through their experiences. The lesson from Airbnb is clear. In today's world, trust and community can be stronger than traditional advertising. Brands that empower their users and build authentic connections can grow faster and more sustainably. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how Netflix uses data and personalization to transform marketing in the digital age.